Graph the cosecant. We all know cosecant is 1 over sin x. So we'll draw our graph. Our period is still 2 pi. So divide this into 4 period. This is pi and this is 3 over pi over 2. And this is pi over 2. Period is equal to pi 2 pi over b. So the b is in front number of x. 2 pi over 1 and equal to 2 pi. That's why we have this period. Then we have the amplitude 1 here. So we have 1 here and negative 1 here. We'll put an imaginary line here for us to graph our cosecant. Here, imaginary line. We'll put an imaginary line every 2 points. Imaginary line. And here. We need to graph first our sine for us to know where to graph the cosecant. So, sine starts from the middle, then through the upper line to the middle, lower line, and middle line. We'll put an imaginary line, connect it, and here is where we graph our cosecant. This is what the graph of cosecant looks like. Next, we'll have tangent. So we'll first put our graph. We have the y-axis and the x-axis. 3 tan x plus 1. We have a phase shift here. So we'll put 1. This is where our shift. Then broken line for us to have a guide. Our amplitude is 3, so this is 1. We have to go higher 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, and 4. Our upper line is 4. And so this is 0. We have to go down times 3 for us to get our lower line. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is negative 1 and negative 2. In graphing a tangent, we need to remember the two asymptotes. This is pi squared and negative pi squared. In getting the period for tangent and cotangent, the formula is p is equals to pi b and equal to pi over b is the number in front of x, so over 1, then equal to pi. Period is the distance between the two asymptotes. So now let's put pi 2 divided by 2 is equal to pi over 4. Let's put another period. Then pi over 4 negative. The first point is here, and the midpoint, we have the upper line. The graph of a tangent looks like this. This is the asymptote. So here you go. That's what graphing of a tangent looks like.